this is Zephyr from LIEBTY Machinery company. Now we are at LIUGONG factory. Today we are showing you LIUGONG 9027 FGT as compact mini crawler excavator with canopy. The operating weight is 2.7 tons with 0.08 cubic meters stand bucket. It uses a reliable Yanmar engine delivering 15.2 kilowatts. Zero-tail swing design let it work in narrow spaces. Besides, the 9027 crawler excavator can equip with quick hitch, faster switch between the buckets, grapples, hammer breakers, and other attachments. Let's take a close look. Here are safety lock and two pallet control and the digital screen. Thank you for your watching. Contact Zephyr for price and catalog.